Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Max is a student at a big school. He is 15 years old. Today is Monday and Max wakes up late. His alarm clock does not ring. Oh no! Max says when he sees the time. It is already 8:30. His class starts at 8 o'clock. Max jumps out of bed quickly. He puts on his clothes in 2 minutes. He does not eat breakfast. Max runs to school as fast as he can. When he arrives, the hallway is empty. All the students are in their classes. Max looks at the room numbers on the doors. He thinks his class is in room 205. Max opens the door and walks in. Everyone in the room looks at him. The teacher stops talking. Max does not know anyone in the room. These are not his classmates. Max is in the wrong classroom. I am sorry, Max says with a red face. He closes the door quickly and runs away. His class is in room 215, not 205. Max laughs about it later with his friends. Learn with LingoStories.app.